there are a few different settings that the user can adjust from their vantage point. So I'm going to go ahead and log back in as the user. We'll just use Jane as one of our users here. So I'll just log in as Jane, and I'll show you a couple of things that the user can adjust. So we see here we can participate in the forum, and we have this little blue drop down arrow, and we don't have all the admin options, but we do have My Settings, My Posts, Search, and Forum Home. So first I'll go into My Settings, and you'll see I can update all my info here. If I have, MSN, Yahoo, AIM, I can do all of these things here, and people can see a little bit about me. User settings, I can show, how many threads do I want to show on a page when I'm looking at the forum. I can put a signature in there, so maybe every time at the end of my post I want to say I'm out. Then I just save that signature in there. Display online status, if I'm online, do I want people to know about it? And I can upload an avatar, which is a little picture that always shows with my posts, and I would just browse my system and upload that file there. The other thing you can do is you can actually say, right now we have these two groups, and I can say every time that there's new activity in the New Testament group, I want to be notified. So I would just click that box there, and then I'll click update. And so that's really, I just updated my my status, and I'll show you here. I've already put in a post under Gospels, and so my post is, how about that Book of John? If I click on it, I'll see there's my signature that I just added there. So it applies even to the post that you've already put in if you want to change your signature. And let me show you one other thing here. If I go to My Posts instead of My Settings, this will show me all of my posts. So if I had 50 different posts, this would just be a list of my posts. So that's a couple things that your users can do, and lots of times people will be able to figure that stuff out on their own. You may have to tell people if they have questions about it, but yeah, those are some of the user interface options there.